Here's how to chat with Amazon customer service quickly using the updated method. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so Amazon can identify your orders and account details. Scroll down to the very bottom of any Amazon page. Click Help under the Let Us Help You section. This takes you directly to Amazon's support center. On the Help page, look for Browse Help Topics and click Need More Help? Then select Customer Service. This is where Amazon hides their direct support options. Amazon requires you to pick a topic before chatting. Choose what your problem is related to: an order, returns and refunds, payments, account issues, Prime membership, device support. Pick the closest option to unlock the chat feature. On the next screen, scroll down until you see Start Chatting Now or Chat with an Amazon Associate. This option may appear under Contact Options. Click it, and a chat window will open instantly in your browser. An Amazon virtual assistant will start the chat. Type your issue clearly. If you want a real human agent, just type, "I want to chat with a representative." The system will transfer you to a live agent. Amazon agents can help you with refunds, order problems, locked accounts, billing issues, and more, all within the chat. And that's how to chat with Amazon customer service instantly. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe.